Hello everyone, my dear all students. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we are going to solve the question is find HCF and LCM of the following positive integers by applying prime factorization method 84, 90 and 120. It means they have given three numbers. From these three positive integers we have to find HCF and LCM. So very easy. This is very easy to find out. First of all, what we have to do, we have to find the prime factors for all these numbers. So first one is 84, second one is 90 and third one is 120. So we have to choose the smallest divisor. Because all these are even numbers, so we can choose the even smallest positive integer, which is 2. So 2 into 4, 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2, 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2, 21. So this is odd number. So 3 into 7, 21. Similarly, we can go for 90 also. 2, it will be 45, then 3, 15, then 3 5s are 15. Also we have to continue with this 120. So 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, then 3, 5. So against the 84, what we can write? 2 how many times? We can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So this is also we can write from this expression 2 how many times? 2 times. So we can write 2 square. 3 how many times? Single time. So we can write 3 to the power 1, or we can write only 3 also. Similarly 7 to the how many times? Only 1 time. So we can write 7 to the power 1 also, or we can write only 7 also. Against of this 90, we can write what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. It means we can see 2 how many times? Only 1 time. 3 how many times? 2 times. So we can write 3 to the power 2. And 5 how many times? Only single time. So we can write only 5. Against of this 120, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 how many times? 3 times. So we can write 2 cube. Then 3 how many times? Only single time. Then 5 how many times? Only single time. So from the previous classes we have learned how to find the HCF. Therefore HCF of these three number 84, 90, 120 is equal to, how can find the HCF? Very easy. We have to see the common factors, common least factors. Least means what? Here 2 square, here 2 to the power nothing means what? 1. If you want to write, you can write 1. You can write here 1, you can write 1, you can write here 1, here also 1, here also. So 2 square, 2 to the power 1, 2 cube. We have to choose the smallest one, least one. So 2 to the power 1 will be the least one. 2 to the power 1 into, then 3 to the power 1, 3 square, 3 to the power 1. So we have to choose the least one, 3 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 means only 2. 3 to the power 1 means only 3. So 3 into 2, it will be 6. So HCF is 6. Also we have to find LCM. LCM equal to LCM equal to, how can we find? We have to choose the maximum power. That means the greatest power is what? 2 square, 2 to the power 1, 2 cube. So we have to choose 2 cube. Similarly, next one, 3 to the power 1, 3 square, and 3 to the power 1. It means we have to choose this 3 square. So the greatest one. Into, also we have to choose the remaining factors. So what are the remaining factors? 2 and 3 is finished. So remain what? 5 and 7. So we can see 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. So maximum is 5 to the power 1 only. Also remain another one factor is 7. So 7 to the power 1. So we can write 7 to the power 1. So this is equal to 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. It means how much? 8. Into 3 square means what? 3 into 3. It means how much? 9. Then 5 to the power 1 means only 5. 7 to the power 1 means only 7. So this is equal to 8 into 9, 72, and 5 into 7, 35. Now we have to multiply 72 into 35. So 5 into 2, 10 for 0. Now we have to multiply these two, then 72 into 35. So 5 into 2, 10 for 0. 5 into 7, 35, plus 1, 36. 3 into 2, 6. Then 3 into 7, 21. 0, 6 plus 6, 12 for 2. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 is 2. It means 2520. This is equal to 2520. So this 2520, this 2520 is the 2520 is the LCM. So before we got HCF is 6, and now we got LCM is 2520. So according to the question, we have to find HCF and LCM. So HCF we got 6 and LCM we got 2520. So this 2 is the answer. Thank you all of you. I hope all of you can understand.